trunk, I open up, I sold my soul a good price, out of sight, and my whole got talent.
Hi guys and welcome to bhantechtips, and before we begin, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Okay, so we have it here, OnePlus 7, a fan-made promotional image. Shows that there are 3 cameras at the back. Let me quickly zoom that for you. So 3 cameras at the back and slider look. So probably the front camera would be somewhere here. So you'll have to slide the phone because it looks like this. When you slide the display, the front camera would come up. Now this is not 100% perfect information because it says that it is a fan-made promotional image, but then yes, there are a lot of rumors that we have already seen about 6T, OnePlus and OnePlus 5 that were true. 90% of the rumors were true. So you can check here in the image that it would have 3 cameras and a front camera in the slider. Now there are other cool features about OnePlus 7 as well. If you check here, it would have Snapdragon 855 processor. It would be 5G ready. So I had uploaded a video about the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus unboxing. I will leave a link in the video description about it. You can check that. But yes, S10 Plus had 5G capability, and if OnePlus 7 is coming up with this, that would be a great deal for the price that OnePlus asks us to pay. Now I'm not sure who made this, how it was made, how he got to know that there were 3 cameras, a front-facing camera in the slider, but yes, this looks pretty cool. And there's another thing that I've just read here. The in-display fingerprint reader was introduced in the OnePlus 6T, and it was a great achievement for a company like OnePlus. Now it looks like this cell phone would have the same features because I cannot see any display fingerprint reader in the front or at the back. So let's hope and wait for OnePlus 7 smartphone to come up in the market, and I'm sure that it will be, just like the previous ones, one of the best phones on the market.